Today's video is gonna be my weekend morning routine. This video is sponsored by Scentbird. I'm gonna be giving you guys all the information about Scentbird later in the video. On weekends, I like to sleep in, so I usually wake up around like 9, 10, and I usually wake up to the sound of my alarm. My alarm is super loud, so there is no way I can sleep through that. Once I'm up, I first turn off my alarm. After that, I check my emails, go through social media, and then I realize, I should pray before doing all this stuff, because I tried to pray before checking my phone, though some days I fail, just like today. So next thing I do is put on my slippers and go and do my morning hygiene routine. I like to take off my retainers first because you guys know I've had braces in the past, so I wear retainers every single night. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my teeth. This morning was actually a wash day for me, so I went ahead and I washed my natural hair. I deep conditioned my hair overnight. Go ahead and shower, moisturize, and get ready for the day. I decided to go ahead and do my laundry. This is the point where I make something for breakfast. This morning I chose to make omelette and pancakes. Sometimes I'm always like lazy to cook, but then Rafiki bugs me to go make something, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick rundown of how I make my omelette. I usually just break my eggs and then spice it up. I add a little bit of ginger, black pepper, some slap your mama seasoning, and a little bit of salt. And now I'm just gonna chop up my onions and garlic. I always love to season my food with onions and garlic. Later on, I went in and I cut 1 tomato and also a little bit of my green and red bell peppers. So I tend to cook with lots of onions, bell peppers, garlic. That's just how I like my food to look. I just like that fresh look, you know, that makes you feel like you're eating really healthy. Well, it is healthy. You guys know what I mean. I saute my veggies a little bit. I put in the bell peppers last. I tend to go in first with my onions and garlic, saute that a little bit. I also put in some chicken breast in here. So when I'm done sauteing everything, I go ahead and I pour in my seasoned eggs and I cook it on about medium to low heat. I've already mixed in my pancake batter and now I'm just gonna pour that into my frying pan. So I love my pancakes with syrup, so I add a little bit of maple syrup, and my food is ready to go. And I'm just taking that with a side of orange juice. On this Saturday, I actually plan to go to the farmer's market with my friend Shelby. So you guys are going to see me getting ready here. These days, my skin has been looking very flawless. I don't have as much blemishes as I used to have anymore. So I tend to go with a more natural makeup. Right now, I'm just going to apply some powder to my face just to even out my complexion and just to give me a little bit of something. Now I'm going to go in with my Milani blush. This is in the blush Carolina. Next, I'm gonna go in with a nude lip gloss. This is the Milani nude lip gloss. As you guys can see, my makeup is looking super simple. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I definitely did my eyebrows. If I don't do anything, I'm gonna do my eyebrows before leaving the house. Now, I'm just gonna change into my outfit for the day. If you've never heard about Scentbird, Scentbird is a monthly subscription perfume site that sends you designer perfumes every single month for only $15. So every single month, if you subscribe to them, you're gonna get a new perfume that's gonna last you at least 30 days. And you guys, they come in this really pretty simple packaging. This is a great way to test out different perfumes from designer brands without paying that designer brand money, okay? So it costs about $15 every month, but if you use my coupon code, you can actually get 30% off, which brings down the price to about $10. You also get free shipping. So the perfumes come in this black velvet bag. You can actually pull out the perfume from the case. So the perfume I'm holding right now is called Norel Blushin'. The other two perfumes are called Kieran Sunday Brunch and Nest Midnight Flower. This one was my favorite, that's why I used it in this video. I'm gonna have everything linked down in the description bar. You guys, these perfumes smell amazing. I also like to spray a little bit of the perfume on my hair just because with all the natural hair products I use, sometimes they don't smell the greatest. Here's a quick outfit of the day. I'm wearing this top that I got from Fashion Nova. This was actually in my Fashion Nova haul from last summer. These jeans, I've had them forever. I'm not sure where I got them. They're just the boyfriend jeans. And then I'm wearing my purse from Target. Now I'm having Rafiki smell me, and he actually said he likes the smell of my perfume. You like the smell? Do you prefer this to my other perfume, the one you got me that you ended up hating? Which one?
Yeah, I think that guy is too strong.
Now I'm just gonna give Rafiki a goodbye kiss because I'm not gonna see him for another few hours. So here I'm just heading to the farmer's market. This vlog of me at the farmer's market is gonna be up next week on my channel. Go ahead and check my description bar for more information on Scentbird. If you guys would like to receive monthly designer perfumes, make sure you check out the information down below. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Thanks Scentbird for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you in another one. Bye-bye.